Picture yourself in the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Here's a stylish Santa Cruz that offers open bed and towing utility, a premium interior loaded with modern tech, sculpted good looks, and a calm, composed ride. Let the adventure begin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, premium sound system, backup camera. Feel up for the challenge in this highly versatile Santa Cruz. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.